Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel, Mini Life Crisis. Whilst you watch me unveiling Colin for some more work, I'd just like to apologise for the amount of portrait in this video. I'm still learning as much about editing as I am about restoring a Mini. Sit back, relax and enjoy. In this episode we remove the old floor and start prepping the body for the replacement floor. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget that notification bell.
Well, rot is rot, and it's all got to get cut out anyway, but just so you've got an idea of exactly what we're dealing with, there is just holes absolutely everywhere. I mean, you can see there's a panel gone in here, but I mean, what's the point in putting a panel there when you've got all of this? It's just completely ridiculous. So, big job. So there you go, get a lovely new panel, lovely new Magnum panel, stick it over all the rot and it'll just rot again. There are some that say it's a complete rust bucket. Well, I can't take any credit for this. It's all Dad's work. Grinding, hammering, chiseling. And there we are. Flawless. A flawless finish. Ah! Sorry. So I'm sure there's many of you out there who've spent hours upon hours drilling out spot welds. But if you can be a little bit careful with the angle grinder, there's a little hack for how to do it. Okay, I'll just turn the camera around. Okay, so you can get the chisel in and bend the metal out, which helps you find the spot weld, and then just prise it. So I'll just set you up and then you can see me do it. So that's done, and in about, I don't know, a quarter of the time? No, even less than that. Super quick way to do it, just got to be a bit careful. So as you can see, that's a lot quicker. They're using a spot weld drill, just got to be a bit careful. So I guess got the remains of the pocket in a sill type bit here that's got to come off, so I'll get that off, get it cleaned up and get some primer on there. So if we've got any unwanted bits of metal have gone now. Now this rear quarter here, let's just turn you around a bit. That is pretty knackered. So this little section here will get replaced, but we can't do it yet. First things first, we need to keep this in place so it's a reference point for when we put the floor in. And then once the floor's in and all secured, and once we've done the bulkhead and everything's straight, then we can come back and sort these bits out. But at least then there's less layers to take off. Right, we're just cutting off along here because this is all going to get replaced. This is all going to be a completely new panel. So there's no point unstitching all of this, taking our time over it, because it's not going to get used. It's actually coming away quite quickly. So we'll just get this off and then get rid of some of this rust. So you can see the condition of this lot in and around where all the inner sills and where the pockets go and everything is all a bit of a mess. And this is the replacement floors coming along, and the pockets are all pretty good, and that's all been repaired in there. So we've cut the original pockets now out of Colin, and we've had to have a rethink of our bracing, which was originally here. We've had to put some extra stuff in here and then going across, so we can now cut this bit so that when we put the new floor in, the new pocket can come in, it can all be attached in there. We can get rid of all of this nasty stuff here, get rid of all of that, and that's all on the new floor anyway. So a little bit of a rethink on the bracing, but getting there slowly. So all of this is going to come out, all of that's going to come out, end up looking a little bit like that.